Imagine a patient in your clinic, exhausted and frustrated. They are struggling with a complex mix of lower back pain, chronic fatigue, and an underlying sense of emotional tension that never quite goes away. For many beginners, the immediate instinct is to look at where it hurts. You find the tight muscles in the back or the tension in the neck and apply needles directly to those localized areas of pain. This approach treats the symptom as the problem. While the patient might feel better for an hour, the underlying engine of their fatigue remains untouched, ensuring the pain will inevitably return. To find a permanent solution, we have to look toward the classical logic of the Ling Shu. This text suggests that to heal the branches, we must first stabilize the root. This requires a shift in focus. You have to move past the surface-level complaints and learn how to access the body's deepest energetic baseline. This baseline is formed by Yuan Qi, or original Qi. This is the constitutional energy that dictates the functional strength of your organs and your ability to recover from illness. This energy isn't created in the blood or lungs, but deep within the kidneys. The triple burner network carries it outward to every meridian. Traveling to the extremities, it pools near wrists and ankles at Yuan-Source Points, portals where organ energy lingers near the skin. Because these points are directly fed by the organ's original energy, stimulating them allows a practitioner to regulate and nourish the internal organ itself, rather than just the channel. Before a single needle is ever inserted, these points serve a vital investigative purpose. They offer a window into the actual state of the internal organs. When an internal organ is stressed or deficient, the tissue at its corresponding Yuan-Source point will often change. It may feel unusually cold, appear swollen, or trigger a sharp reactive tenderness when touched. These reactive tinges act like internal warning lights. On a yin channel, the Yuan-Source and Shu stream points are one and the same node. But on a yang channel, the Yuan-Source point is a separate, dedicated node. Despite these differences, there is a simple pattern for the student. Almost all 12 of these points are clustered conveniently around the wrists and ankles. Memorizing this topography changes how you see the skin. It is no longer just a surface to be treated, but a diagnostic map that reveals exactly which internal systems are failing. While there are 12 points in total, 4 specific locations govern the majority of the physical and emotional imbalances we see in the clinic. Liver 3, located on the foot, is the primary choice for smoothing liver qi, reducing stress and calming the emotional tension of frustration. Large intestine 4, on the hand, is known for its strong analgesic effect, making it a standard choice for clearing fevers and managing headaches. Heart 7 is used to calm the mind and reduce anxiety, while kidney 3 is the essential point for tonifying energy when a patient faces chronic fatigue. These points are effective on their own, but their impact can be amplified by using a classical networking strategy called the Yuan-Luo combination. You pair the Yuan-Source point of the affected organ directly with the Luo connecting point of its partner channel. This opens a communication bridge, allowing energy to shift back and forth, helping the paired systems balance their excesses. This strategy moves the treatment beyond just picking points. You are now addressing how different organ systems communicate and support one another. To use this system effectively, you must first master the basics. Memorize all 12 points, their exact locations, their organ correspondences, and their specific Yuan-Luo pairings. But the real shift happens when you change your line of questioning. You stop looking only at the area that hurts. You begin asking, which internal organ is actually weakest? Which system is overactive? And which Yuan point is physically reflecting that imbalance right now? When you stop chasing the symptom and start addressing the organ intelligence at the source, your practice shifts from managing temporary pain to treating the person's actual constitution.